Doctor, a patient said to me in 2014 while seeking a hair transplant in my Mumbai clinic, "Doctor," he quipped, "I have hair in abundance like Anil Kapoor on my chest. Can you transplant some of this hair on my head? Because this is all I have. It's the only place hair is thriving in my body." So what was once a tongue-in-cheek remark, over time has evolved into a legitimate consideration for patients with extensive baldness who are seeking a hair restoration. Back in 2010, when FUE, follicle unit excision, was gaining traction, momentum, the idea of harvesting chest hair for relocation on the scalp in extensively bald areas was virtually unheard of and at times scoffed at by proponents of FUT because the focus in 2014 remained primarily on the scalp as the primary donor site and alternative sources were seldom explored because there was no experience. However, as the field matured and limitations of traditional donor areas became more apparent in the face of extensive baldness, the need to think outside of the box, or rather outside of the scalp, became the need of the hour. And today, chest grafting has transitioned from a novel concept to a viable solution for those with limited scalp donor availability, marking a significant advancement in hair restoration techniques. And at my clinic, Darling Buds Clinic, I have been doing this for the last over 10 years. Every third patient that I do, I have to include chest hair besides scalp hair and beard hair in extensively bald cases with grade 6 and at times grade 7 male pattern baldness. And this is because I get a large number of cases with extensive baldness in my practice. In today's video, I delve into the rationale behind using chest grafts as an alternative donor source, and I'll show you the entire technique through a video that I have made for you, the technical nuances involved, and the considerations necessary to achieve an optimal outcome. After all, in the ever-evolving landscape of hair transplantation, sometimes the answer lies just a chest hair away. Today's video is just a brief video, but if you want more information, I have done several videos on chest grafts and beard grafts. Please click on the link above. Though chest grafting may sound very easy, like scalp grafting, there are many inherent challenges. Patients with advanced baldness, Norwood grade 6, Norwood grade 7, often lack sufficient scalp donor, but their objectives are huge. They want a head full of hair. How do we achieve this? This can only be achieved by recruiting grafts from the beard as well as the chest, and wherever terminal hair are present in the body. Besides chest hair, beard hair is a great alternative, and I have covered beard grafts in this video. Chest grafts, while differing in texture, in growth cycle, can effectively supplement scalp hair, offering solutions to patients who had lost all hope. Now, what are the challenges when you're considering a chest hair transplant? Well, chest hair follicles are often curved and located in varying depths, not like scalp hair, that the depth is constant for all follicles in the same patient. And this requires meticulous extraction to avoid a high transaction rate. When you harvest scalp hair, and once you've done the test grafting for about 5 follicles, then you calibrate each excursion, each time the punch goes in. By muscle memory, you don't have to think much. But in chest grafts, every follicle is different because every follicle in chest harvesting lies at a varying depth. So a surgeon has to keep changing his approach from one area of the chest to the other. And therefore this is a very slow, meticulous, laborious method. And chest hair is typically finer. Even if it has terminal hair, it is finer hair. Hair with shorter anagen phase compared to the scalp. And this may affect the overall aesthetic outcome. Careful placement of chest hair is essential to ensure integration, to ensure natural appearance, considering the differences in hair characteristics. And then everybody does not have harvestable chest grafts. It's only about 15 to 20% or 30% patients in whom chest hair is worth doing. Body hair carries with it a higher transaction rate, not like less than 0.5% for scalp hair. Transaction rate of chest hair, depending upon how strong it is, whether it is terminal hair or just thin furry hair, may vary from 10% to up to 30%. So therefore, case selection is of paramount importance. Every patient is not fit for chest grafting. And then chest grafts are a difficult proposition for patients who have history of keloid formation, because keloids are very common over the pre-sternal area, over the chest bone. And therefore, in darker skin types, oily skin types like those of Africans, chest grafts should never be done. Aligning or angulating chest grafts to mimic natural scalp hair growth patterns is crucial for a seamless blend. Now watch this full chest harvesting video to see what is my method, how I do chest harvesting in extensively bald patients. Mind you, I do almost like 3 to 4 patients using chest grafts on a weekly basis. And this video highlights the skill, the precision required for optimal harvesting and optimal results. So the key takeaway is that chest hair is a valuable source in extensively bald patients. It's a valuable donor. When executed with precision, the addition of chest grafts can significantly improve hair density and patient satisfaction. In the realm of hair restoration, the solution sometimes lies just a chest hair away. Remember, where there's a will, there's a way, and sometimes this way is through the chest. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below and I'll reply back at the soonest. For those who haven't subscribed, please do. Your engagement on this channel keeps the channel going. Have a nice day and God bless you.